Hello, my name is Andrew Love here in sunny Denver, Colorado, and I just wanted to leave this review because I'm a big fan of Mike and I've been following him for years, over 5 years, probably close to 6. And he's never let me down, His content is always fantastic. His free content is great, but also I've paid for a bunch of his courses. And it's funny because they always take me to a certain point, and there's a point in my life where just generally I get stuck in my career, all the side projects that I've ever built. It always reaches this invisible ceiling where I just can't push through in terms of making money, like making a certain amount of money. And I know it's all psychological, but it's like we have these blind spots. And if you can't see your own blind spots, which is nearly impossible to see the chains that are really holding you back from success, then you need somebody else to help guide you, right? So Mike is almost like a Sherpa. He's like my subconscious Sherpa. And the funny thing is, I do this for a living. Like, I help people have all sorts of breakthroughs, neurologically, neurochemically, and I can help people with addictions like crazy. Like, that's what I do all day. But yet I suck with money. I know how to save it. I don't know how to invest it. And even when I do, the things don't work out. And I think I have a lot of self-destructive behaviors that I just can't see. So that's why I'm super excited about this course. I've already dove in. I'm already super excited, and I can see what's happening. I can see the changes already. But I just know, based on the foundation that Mike has with me, I'm not the most trusting person, especially with internet marketers. They're all a sleazy bunch, but Mike is legit. Mike Dillard is legit. And he's got such a strong foundation of caring about people and making real stuff that's actually worthy of your time and money. And so, yeah, if you're worried about investing money in this course, don't, because you're just going to waste it anyway. If you're looking at this course, it's because you know that you have one of these glass ceilings that are holding you back. So this is what you need to do, is just get the course. I just dove in. I knew I had to do it, and I did it, and I'm extremely glad. So enjoy the course, get it, do it.